So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2021 RAM 1500 TRX, and this thing features a cool launch control setting, which I'm going to showcase how to use it. So there's two different ways to enable the launch control in this truck. So first up, down low, you got a TRX button, which gives you different drive modes. You got the four-wheel drive buttons as well, and over to the right of that is a launch button. Now, along with that launch button, there's a couple different ways which you can change the settings on how you want to launch. So if you go hit the TRX button, it pops you in the drive modes, and then you got performance, which will give you all the gauges. But then you'll also have this race options button where you can then activate launch control digitally via a little button on the screen. Now you can also adjust the RPM when you will launch the vehicle. So normally when I do it, I just push the button down here, put my foot on the brake and go, but you can also push it over here. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to push the button down low right here. It's going to pop up a little screen that'll tell you how much pressure you're putting on the brake, and then to then give it full on gas and then release the brake and you'll go. So you cannot do launch control with the steering wheel tilted. It will give up an error screen telling you to straighten out the steering wheel. It's kind of a little bit of protection so you don't hit a tree, I suppose. So here we go. Launch enabled. You got launch enabled over here as well. Now it's telling me to apply full throttle. And that's how you can easily launch the vehicle.